Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix disk 0 unknown not initialized problem. Open any browser. Type Many Tool in browser search bar, click Many Tool Partition Wizard. Click Many Tool Partition Wizard. Right-click disk, click Rebuild MBR. Click Apply. Right-click, click Create New Partition. Select any drive letter. Click Apply. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.